When a critical gear fails, the clock starts ticking. Every minute your plant is down costs you thousands. The last thing you need is to wait weeks for a replacement gear to ship from overseas OEMs. At industrialgearbox.net, we recognize this bottleneck, and that's why we don't wait for parts. We build the solutions in-house. We're talking about precision spiral bevel gear manufacturing. We aren't a third-party shop. This is our dedicated high-precision facility. We cut, heat treat, and finish your replacement gears with surgical accuracy. The integrated process means we guarantee a perfect fit every time, whether it's for a rolling mill, an extruder, or a complex planetary drive. The mission is simple: exceed OEM specifications. By controlling the design and manufacturing process, we ensure higher quality, better material choice, and tighter tolerances than the original part. The result is a gear that often outlasts the original. This in-house advantage is the engine behind our speed. It enables us to activate our emergency rush repair services faster than any competitor. Coupled with free freight and free quotes nationwide, we are the fastest, most reliable path back to production. Stop relying on bad supply chains and start relying on the precision power of industrialgearbox.net. Send us your failed unit today and experience the IGR difference. Call now for your free quote. industrialgearbox.net.
Steel bones, they carry the